Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to explain how to upload a file using a backup file using all-in-one WP migration in case you're having issues. It's not loading correctly, it's pausing, whatever it may be. Here's a quick way to resolve that. Just quickly, if you are looking to increase your file size, there's a plugin you can download on your WordPress. There's this one here, WP maximum upload file size. They'll allow you to increase the file size. Okay, so I found this article here, which I'm going to link in the video. So the first thing you need to do is you actually have to install the older version of the plugin. Okay, so it's the 6.7 version. You see, I've got it here. So if you've got the current one already, just delete it, deactivate and delete it from your WordPress, and then come here, click this link, and it'll give you a file to download the old version. Then upload that into your WordPress. So you just go add new plugin, and then upload. So just upload the file there. Once you've done that, you then need to go into your cPanel. You need to go into your file manager. Okay. And once you're in your file manager, go to your public HTML. Okay. Now find the particular file for your website there. Okay. I'm just going to use this example here. Click down here and then go to WP content and then find what's called AI1 WM dash backups. Okay. That's just basically the all-in-one, um, WordPress backup plugin that we uploaded. Once you're here, you're just going to click upload, drop your file into there. It may take a minute, maybe a little longer depending on the size of the file. And then come into your backup. You should find it here, and then you're good to go. You can just go restore. On the latest version of the plugin, it actually doesn't allow you to do the restore feature unless you buy the premium. However, with this workaround, you can use the older version, you can restore your backup, and you can bypass it if you might have with it not working on the front end. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks a lot.